Okay, so I'm going to start by going into my mid account, go to my mid, log in, finger. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and open up mail. I'm going to open, so then I'm going to minimize it. Then I'm going to go ahead and, oh, not this, so I'm going to close out of there, file, new Finder window. I'm going to put this one on my desktop just to make it a little easier. New folder, we're going to call it CIS100 folder. Okay, it does that. And then we're just going to close out of that. And go ahead and open up Word and make a new document. 1 minute, please. This is a demonstration for CIS100 Homework. Okay, we're going to go ahead and file, save as, CIS100 demo in the CIS100 folder. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Go ahead and close out of quit. I'm going to go into this folder. I'm going to go ahead and right click rename as CIS demonstrate. Why does that look wrong? I think that's right. Anyway, close out of that. I'll go ahead and reopen this. Create a new email to myself. CIS100 is going to be the thing. This is a test email for CIS100 homework assignment. I'm going to go ahead and attach a link. So here I would go to desktop, CIS100 folder, CIS100 demonstration. I'm going to wait for it to load. Click send. Then I'm going to verify that it's there. This is a demonstration for CIS100 homework. Alright, that is my Word document. I'm going to go ahead and close out of my email, log out of my mid, close out of there, go ahead and quit that, and all done.